On your Android phone, so many notifications will come, and when notifications come, you'll hear one tone too. So, if you want to change that notification tone, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to change the notification ringtone on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings above, you can see the Search Settings option. Click on Search Settings, and here, search Notification. And when you search for notification, here you can see one option, Notification Sound. I'm using a POCO branded phone. In POCO branded phones, it's like this, and in some other branded phones, there'll be some difference. Sometimes it'll be notification tone, and sometimes it'll be notification ringtone, etc. Anyway, click on this option. When you click on that, you can see so many sounds here, and from this, you can select whichever sound you want. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting this tone, and if you want more tones, here you can see the All Ringtones option. Click on this. And in POCO branded phones, you'll reach a page like this, and in other branded phones, you'll reach another page, and from there, you can select so many ringtones. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting this ringtone. So, this way, you can easily change the notification sound on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.